How to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available. So if you want to fix your Facebook Marketplace isn't available, then you just need to simply tap on your Facebook, open up your Facebook application, and make sure to log into your account. So simply choose the account in which you would like to fix your problem. Once you've chosen, now you just need to simply go for the upper right, which has that 3 bat icon, and you need to simply scroll down and go for settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to go for settings option. Under settings, now you just need to simply go for the search, which is on the upper side, and search for status bar or navigation bar. Or you can also simply search for bar, which will be easy for you. So here you will have tab bar option. So in some devices you will have navigation bar, status bar, or you may have tab bar. Tap on that. And here you need to tap on customize the bar, and under the marketplace, like under the hidden shortcuts, if you have your marketplace hidden, then simply go for the hidden option and then tap on pin. Once you tap on pin, now it says that you can only pin 3 items or 3 shortcuts on your shortcut bar. So in order to have your marketplace, you just need to simply go for the upper side of your shortcuts and then unpin one of your option. So I'll be choosing my profile, and then go for the marketplace and tap on pin. Once you've pinned, now you can remove your Facebook, and you can again open up your Facebook after removing it from your background. Now if you reload your page, here you will have your marketplace option now on the upper side. Tap on the marketplace and it will take you to the Facebook marketplace. So that's how you can recover your marketplace option, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.